Hello, here we'd like to introduce Breading Wings S800 Hexa rotor platform designed and produced by DJI. Open the package case. We can see base pipe, H-frame, T-frame, central board and other accessories related on the upside. S800 frame arms placed downside. Each S800 frame arm with ESC, motor, 15-inch carbon fiber propeller included before X-Works. Next, let me guide you about the whole installation process of S800. Before installation, M2.0 and M2.5 screwdrivers, screw glue and DJI Wukong M should be prepared. We separate the installation into three parts. A. How to assemble the landing skid. Firstly, put on non-slip damper at 1/3 position end of base pipe. Insert the base pipe in T-frame tightly. Use the other non-slip damper to fix base pipe with T-frame from the other end of base pipe. Then a little adjustment probably needed for the good base pipe position. The same way to assemble the other T-frame. Please pay attention. All the screws should work with screw glue together. Next, assemble bipod drawbars of H-frame. Disassemble H-frame first and connect two bipod drawbars with screws. Don't fasten them. Then, put and fix the gap end of T-frame in the circle ring of H-frame. Avoid the movement of T-frame. Draw properly the parts. Screw down the whole part. Install silicone rubber damper. The same way to install the other part. B. Wukong M system installation. Central frame is combined of bottom board, top board, slots and buckles. 3 power cables have been soldered before shipping out. The thick one is the main power cable for central frame. The line with PM marked on the top board is used to power PMU. The line with gimbal marked is reserved to power gimbal. The position with arrow mark on the top board is used to play IMU. Don't disassemble bottom board before placing IMU. Keep the gap between IMU and top board on installing IMU. M1 to M6 interfaces of red slots connect to M1 to M6 output ports of WKM main controller MC. PMU, LED module, receiver and GPS compass module are in the following installation. The connection between the MC and red slots is finished so far. Double check if MI output port corresponds to M1 interface, a red slot on the top board. Check the other parts in turns. Okay, all ports are correct. Then assemble bottom board. Firstly, please check if the cables have occupied the screw holes and avoid damaging cables to cause shortcut. Tighten all the screws after checking finished. Starts to tighten the screws from the center to outer on the board. Slot screws are the final step. Confirm if both IMU and GPS arrows orient forward. The central frame is finished completely. C. Assemble S800 aircraft. Check if 4 pieces of sheet copper and the frame arms are damaged and propellers have cracks. Check if motor bearings are loose and tune swimmingly. Each frame arm has LED. Choose 2 arms with red point LED to assemble to M1 and M2 interfaces on the central frame. M1 and M2 present the aircraft forward. The LED with red point flashes red light, and the LED without red point flashes green light. Before assembly, the markings on the slot and frame arms should be corresponding. Dot to dough. X to X. Dot means anti-clockwise turning of motor. X means clockwise turning of motor. Keep 90-degree angle and insert the frame arm into the central frame. Frame arm should be connected with slot tightly when frame arm is put up by 90 degrees, so that the buckle can fix frame arm well. One frame arm installation is finished. The following is M2 and other frame arms, the same as M1. All S800 frame arms are installed. Double check if makings of all the frame arms are correctly corresponding. Make sure the knobs on the landing skid stay correct turning position so that S800 aircraft can be connected with landing skid well. Hold M3 and M6 frame arms. Place S800 aircraft onto landing skid and fasten the buttons by clockwise turning. The installation of S800 is completed. Demonstrate how to disassemble S800. Turn the buttons anti-clockwise and hold M3 and M6 frame arms. Use thumbs to press the buttons and carry the S800 aircraft up. Open the buckles and hold down the frame arms from the slots. Then disassemble all the frame arms down from the central frame. Well, the assembly and disassembly demonstration of S800 are done. Thanks.